We're going to now take this into another aspect of therapies and of wellness, and a lot of science used to cure disease and ill health, but many therapies also lie in our art forms, in fact in music and dance. And we're now joined by Suchitra Date, whose dance therapy is being used to cure multiple health conditions. Please come, Suchitra. Thank you so much for joining us on the Swasth Bharat telethon. So tell us a bit about how you use dance as a therapy.
I'm a Bharatanatyam
Yes.
dancer and a psychologist, trained social worker. So in 1976 I had my first dance student because my guru permitted me to start my dance classes with a little girl 12 years old who had a hole in her heart. And a hole in a heart in those days were not operational. So I had to work with her. Then came the blind, and then came some visually, not just visually, but hearing impaired and others. So this journey started with...
Sorry, if we can just give you a mic, please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Ravi. Yes, yes, do go on.
So this...
please.
I have to start again? Yeah, sure. So in 1976, I had a little girl, 12 years old, with a hole in her heart called Swati Gokhale from Kalyan. And that time she couldn't be operated in those days in 76. So I started working with her with the help of her doctors and my dance guru and my psychology professor D'Souza from Ruparel, and then Tata Institute professors. And this journey took me to work with blind, the visually and the hearing impaired people. And then came the equinox deformity. Now that's where the children walk on their toes. And orthopedic surgeon Dr. Bhagli sent this child, and within 6 months the child could walk normally. So she had suffered quite a few years at the school, not being able to participate in PT and other exercises. So then I decided, let me look, why is Bharatanatyam helping them? And I used to construct certain movements from our dance that I learned, which would be useful for their ailment. So our Natya Shastras are 2000 plus years, and so is Abhinaya Darpana. And so I said, let me try and use this as widely as I can. And in Pune, when I shifted in 81, 82, I started using it with the special children, and it was fantastic. The results were amazing. This slowly expanded to Parkinson's patients because one of my friend's husband was diagnosed with it. As young as 32 years old are found with Parkinson's because of the kind of pollution we have these days. And it's a debilitating disease. Their problem is facial expressions freeze, they cannot move easily, their mobility is gone, their motor coordination is gone. So we started with a large group of Parkinson's patients. By 6 months, people who had needed walker and 2 helpers could sit on a chair which had no handles.
So if you could show us,
Yes,
some of the mudras and how it works. And
Yes.
Sanket can do it with you.
Yes,
we can-
Sanket.
With them. No,
If we
let
can-
them.
Sanket, you can also
I'll
come,
join them
please
later.
come and just show us, because
In fact,
it sounds
even if
fascinating.
you sit and do some of the
All
exercises
right, let's
that
do
we
that.
give you all, it would be very useful because we
Fantastic.
use it
Yes,
for
not me alone.
a lot of ailments.
So come
I'd
sit
like
down.
to introduce
She wants-
Shruti
Sanket.
Tekavde and Zuili Patwadan. Both are practicing psychologists. They are Bharatanatyam performers and they are Nritya therapists. We call our Nritya therapy Suchitra's Nritya therapy because I haven't met anyone who has ever used our movements, our Bharatanatyam movements, for recuperating and helping patients in
Right.
different ways.
Excellent.
All right,
Can
so
we
should
have the
sit
music?
down and then we can
Yes.
see the...
been traveling for very long period of times, or they have been driving for long periods. This is extremely useful for varicose veins, which is again an issue with people who stand for long period of time, especially teachers, nurses, doctors, in one place, and manufacturing units. We use this with those ladies who work with the wires and other things for hours together. These are movements that even we find children learn to balance well, so do the senior citizens. And senior citizens fall very often. Most of their accidents are by falling because their reflex actions get poorer. These are movements that help them. This instigates both the right brain and stimulates right and left brain. So we take similar movements, which we call symmetrical movements in Bharatanatyam, and we take asymmetrical ones. So this is all the time stimulating your brain to remain active in all areas, including speech. So we have eye movements. Children that have been at home for too long with internet need to undergo this. So we started a program called So we started Recharge for children. It's available on YouTube, and they can do. These are 3 minutes exercises we introduce between learning of two subjects, so that regenerates them. This is something which today's issues are with COVID, long COVID. We have had patients with long COVID who have done so well after going through our movements. So those who are undergoing anxiety, stress, related issues of backaches, neck pains, so we have these movements which they can do it in their office cubicles. We ask of them to do it in groups, because we work both in casework as well as group work. We all are psychologists, so we work in both areas. And these will help relax their ankles, the joints. These are also mathematical concepts it clears with children. So children having dyslexia, dysgraphia, learning difficulties, they fall under ADD, that is attention deficit disorder, and attention hyperactive disorder. We normally suggest, please join the closest Bharatanatyam class near your house. And many of them will be able to rectify the issues they face in very young age. We are very thankful to you all for bringing us here.
Thank you. Suchitra ji, I want to ask you something.
Yes, please.
So Gargi and I, just before our evening shows, is there something that we can do? Not
Yes.
break into Bharatanatyam in the studio,
Yes.
but short of doing that,
Yes.
what can we do?
You too, nothing.
Yes.
Come, let's join them. Come. Let's try. Yeah.
Good, great.
Yeah.
What you say?
Come.
Well, I'm
Gargi,
doing-
come. No, I won't do this alone.
Great.
It's not advisable.
Okay, you'll have to take off your shoes.
Okay. No, I'll watch. I'll watch.
No,
you guys.
no.
These are
No copping out.
You can
Yeah.
do in your office
I'm like-
is walk on your knees. Now,
Okay.
these are extremely useful if you have had
Nice.
any ACL operations, if you have had difficulty in sitting on the floor, getting up. These will release your muscles, and you will feel the
Okay.
stretch on your toes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice.
Yes. Children will also, and the adults in the office, is simple coordination, which is not dance, but it will help the muscles
Oh,
in
nice.
your thighs relax.
Nice. So I have
And
to
bend.
do this now. This is
And
tricky.
now
go down.
put your foot down,
Yeah.
Down.
rest your foot down,
Yeah, like this.
and then
Lower,
bend.
lower.
Take your left foot forward, twist it,
Twist it.
and bend it.
Okay, nice.
Okay? Another exercise when you are in the office,
Yeah.
you can just turn yourself 2, 3, 4.
Nice.
And 1, 2,
Doctor, I don't freak out if I
Three.
start doing this in the
Four.
studio. Hello and welcome.
TRPs will shoot up. Yeah.
Those with carpal
Sorry, go
problems,
for it.
if you're a long hours on
Typing on the computer. Yeah.
then
This
you
is
have
very
carpal
important.
tunnel problems. So it's a very common issue with the
Yeah.
youngsters. So you need to, these are mudras, aveshtita, udveshtita, vyavartit, parivartit. Yeah. So these.
You know, there is a whole team behind this on-air setup which is doing exactly this right now.
Okay. That
Telling
is
me in my
nice.
ear.
That is nice. So just try these and put your knuckles together because this is what we have in our dance. If you are Ravana, how would you do?
Oh God.
Right. Right.
So try
Anything
this.
for Ram?
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Quick
So
change,
you
yeah.
have to be very happy with whatever is around you.
Yeah.
Your emotional feelings all belong to your mind and your body.
Okay.
So we have this called Nritya for Body and Soul,
Okay.
which helps you relax your entire body. If you are Ram and you don't feel jealous of others, you don't feel
Which I
that
don't.
yes, then you are keeping yourself calm enough to be able to reach out to everyone around
So that's good
to
enough.
help.
Yeah. No
Yes.
Bharatnatyam for Ram.
Oh no, there is very much so.
But
So-
we'll just stop for a short break at this
Yes.
moment. But thank you so much for all these little tips.
Wonderful.
We'll use them a lot in our office. Thank you so much.
We had no idea. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.